Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the predictions for you for the month of April 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, and other than that, yes, I have been doing some trailers of all the signs in my Instagram account. So if you have come from that, so a warm welcome to you and thanks a lot for coming. Okay, so let's just dig in the detailed version of the reading. Okay, so your future energies is the Fool card over here. So this is your overall energy. This is your overall, whatever you're feeling right now. So this is telling us that you are in a place where you want to take risks in your life. You want to start new beginnings, taking risks, just believing, just living a life you want. You are literally, people are manipulating you, people are telling you what to do, what not to do, but it's like, no, I don't want to listen to anyone right now. And this is where you are. You don't want anyone to just tell you what to do. You want to take decisions of your life yourself. Your past energies are the Empress in reverse, 5 of Cups, and 3 of Wands in reverse. So this might be dealing with a Taurus or an Aries over here. Your past energies are telling me that yes, you have been neglecting your health, yourself, because of some kind of loss which you have experienced in your past. This can be a loss in regards with your finances, love relationships, a breakup, and a heartfelt breakup. So it is like that feeling where you are feeling heartfelt. In the past, something happened and your life became stagnant. There was a pause which came in your life, and around that time zone, you were literally not able to do anything, not able to think about anything, and that is why things were like not working with you. In the present, we have Temperance, the High Priestess in reverse, and the Hierophant in reverse. So yeah, I feel that in the present, more of patience and balance is needed. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever you have long yearned for is coming into fruition, but all you need is some balance, some patience, balance from your mind and your heart, and patience in you. That is why things will come. You have to just stop accepting what people are trying to tell you. You cannot run on anyone else's footsteps. You have your own, right? You are unique. No one will tell you what to do, because you are the one who will tell yourself that. And if a decision has been made by you, just stick with it. Do not just overlook it. Do not just, like, if anyone told you that no, I don't feel that this decision of yours will work, just screw you. Okay, so because it is like, if I will be wrong, I will be wrong, right? Because you are in this mode, the Fool. You are in a mode where you cannot accept anyone else's decisions as your own. So you have to make decisions. If they are not working fine, you will understand. You will understand through experience. Your future cards are 6 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups, and the Tower in reverse. Okay, so yeah, we have been seeing in this energies is like your future energies are telling us that you are actually accepting whatever happened with you in the past, whatever, you are leaving the past behind, and you're focusing more on future, you're focusing more on your present. You're grateful. 9 of Cups is here. You're grateful for whatever God is giving you, whatever is coming your way. You're grateful for everything, and if you're grateful for that, universe will help you out. Universe will give you directions, will clear your path, will clear all the obstacles in front of you, and then you will see that the obstacles, they don't even bother you anymore. So it will come, this time will come, and you will understand that. Okay, so let's see. Let's do some detailed reading. Let's see some clarification cards for my Virgos. Let's see some cards for for my Virgos. What is the overall energy? The Fool card telling us over here. Let's see the cards. Why the Fool is here in the overall energy for my Virgos. Four of Cups, yeah. So it is looking to me that yes, you are not accepting people's opportunity, but people are trying to offer you. See, decision making, manipulation is something else. But if anyone is trying to help you, if anyone is trying to give you opportunity, do not be that lame person to accept anything, because I think that there is someone who is actually trying to give you opportunity as well, and you're not letting that in. Okay, so just focus. Start segregating, start differentiating what you want, what people are actually helping you, or they're just giving you their random, just talks. No, if anyone is actually trying to help you, just take that help. You really need it. Let's see the past energies. Why the Empress is here in reverse. Why the Empress is here in the reverse in the past energies for my Virgos. Empress in reverse. The Magician. Okay, so we have a Magician over here. It means that you were a manifestor. I feel that you always manifested good things. You were always positive. But when some things happen, you lost all that positive side in you. You just start feeling negative. You were like, you started neglecting, as I already told you, your health, your family, yourself, and you only focused on negative things. You stopped manifesting, I feel. There is like, no, I'm not feeling that positive right now that I should manifest. Yeah, that time comes with everyone. But you have to understand, you have to motivate yourself in that thing. Let's see why the Five of Cups is there in the past energies. Five of Cups for my Virgos in the past. The Star. So yeah, so all hopes were lost. Everything was like in vain, and you stopped hoping, you stopped feeling positive in that thing. Let's see why the Three of Wands is here in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse in the past energies for my Virgos. Two of Cups. Wow. So it can be a love relationship which you yearned for, and it was like you wanted that thing to happen. You wanted the relationship to mend, but it didn't happen. Your life revolved around that person only. You started only thinking about that person. You were like your past. I feel that it was only one person I'm thinking about, and all is what I'm thinking about this person. I don't want to leave this person, whatever, and blah 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 blah. So this is the only person. This is my world. I just grow when I'm with him. All this was going on in your head, and you stopped focusing on yourself. Okay, let's see then what's changed you in present. Why the temperance is here in your present energies. Ten of Cups. Yeah, this can be a family member of you, like who actually helped you, and because you wanted something and it actually started helping. Might be this person came back, and that is why you wanted to have a family with this person, and things started to mend. You felt it. It can happen, but it can also mean that somebody in your family, they helped you to recover from this loss. Yeah, I feel that somebody helped you to recover from this loss, and you started having patience, you started feeling patient and balanced, and you might have done some yoga or some mind exercises. Okay, why the High Priestess is there in reverse. Yeah, Queen of Swords. So Queen of Swords is a decision maker. She does not listen to anyone, because over here the High Priestess in reverse is also telling us you do not need to walk on other people's footsteps. You need to work on yourself. You need to take decisions for yourself. Do not focus, do not see what other people are seeing. Be practical for some while, because you need practicality. A lot of lost emotions I am seeing in the past energies, but you need some practicality as well in the present. And yes, you are working. If you are becoming this woman, she's very strong. I see that you are becoming very strong now. Very nice, Virgo. So let's see why the Hierophant in reverse is there in my present energies. The World, yeah. So this is that place where you have finally accepted it. I feel that the past was so rough for you that at a time you started feeling that this person is not meant to be mine. This situation was wrong. This situation, whatever happened, was not happened for your good. It was like you started accepting it. You started accepting everything. Whatever universe is offering you, you started accepting it. And that is why your present energies are really very good. Six of Cups in reverse. Why is there in the future energies? Page of Wands, yes. So in the future, I'm seeing that this is some kind of a schooling you might be entering into, some kind of like a new career or new work, new studies, whatever you can. So because of this bad past, you have released that bad past, and you are, it's like not in your memories a lot. But yeah, sometimes you feel sometimes that you are not over it from within. But yes, you are working for it in the future as well, and that is why you have entered some schooling, some college, some university, or some other studies, courses. Creative work might be a hobby which you are turning into your profession, a passion which you want to work on, something like that you are working. Anything, you might be learning tarot as well. So this can be something new which you have entered, something creative, and that is why you are being engaged. You are being busy in your schedule, so that is why you don't have anything to think about your past. Nine of Cups, why is it here? Nine of Cups. King of Pentacles, see, so this is that feeling of stability, this is that feeling of maturity, and you have that gratitude, feeling of gratitude and feeling of maturity within you. So this is you, I feel. See how beautiful cards these are. I feel that this is your energy. Okay, so why the Tower in reverse is here? Why the Tower is in reverse here? Tower in reverse. Wow, King of... So, well, I actually, this card actually flipped before, but I just turned it off. And again, it just fell. So, this card wanted to come out. The King of Swords. So, yeah, things are not bothering you. Why? Because you are becoming a very different version of yourself. Virgos, King of Swords and the Queen of Swords in the same reading from the same deck. It means that practicality is now in your way. People around you, they don't bother you anymore. Obstacles, they don't bother you anymore until and unless you will take them from your heart. If you become emotional in terms of your situations again, things will be very different. You have become very practical, and you are becoming practical because in the present you are working on yourself. In the future, I'm seeing that yes, you are becoming very practical person, materialistic person, we can say, and that is not a problem. Why should that be a problem? You are working for your finances. You want to become stable in life, and you are working for money, your passion and your career, and no room for love at the moment. So in future, I'm seeing that in the month of April, you are more into your career and finances rather than love. Alright, so that is all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video, and till then, bye.